Good morning. This is Wednesday morning, November 28th, 2018. I've actually not posted a video in a while. It's been so rainy and kind of had trouble with my computer. But this is a job. This is the one I did some bush hogging where the Volkswagen was in. Everybody talked about the Volkswagen. This guy's got some, wants a load of gravel now. You can see he's got it marked off here where he wants the driveway to come to. And then I'm just going to spread it inside this awning carport here. He gets a little bit of rain water that runs in from up there, but it's kind of got a natural drain in it anyway there. You can see how it's kind of lower. But this will be easy. I'm waiting on the dump truck driver now. He should be here in just a little bit, and it's about 25 degrees this morning, so it's pretty chilly. I'm gonna walk back here and look at where we did that other work. Yeah, there's the Volkswagen. He made it look nice. Got all that cleaned up back there, cleaned off the fence. Looks a lot better. All right, that's it for this job. He actually had a lot more gravel than I thought underneath. I could have probably used most of it and scraped up enough to fill in all up under the carport there, but he had already paid for a load and he wanted it really thick anyway. So you can see right in here, it's probably a good, and up there it's probably a good 10 to 12 inches deep up under the carport there. And like I said, it was really muddy when it would rain coming in from the backside there, so this water will filter through these. These are 57, number 5s and number 7s, so water will filter through them pretty good. But that's about it. Got it all raked out around the edges. Looks pretty good. It's warmed up to maybe 35 by now, but it's still cold, so I'm gonna get in the truck. If you're still watching, I try to post a video about once a week doing this kind of stuff, anything from bobcat work, cutting up trees, lawn mowing, just all kinds of different types of work. So if you like this kind of stuff, hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.